Now the same thing I'm going to discuss in live, because I'm going to create in the same page so that I'm going to write the internal CSS. So switching between the two pages is going to take the time, so that I'm going to make it the same file. Box model, HTML. What is this box model? What I said? Style. Here I'm going to create the 3 divs. Div 1. If you are going to write like this, it comes. With div 2 and div 3. I'm not making any content inside the divs. Here I'm going to write 1, 2, 3. Okay. In the first div, your margins are not added here. One is in the box model, the first thing is width. I'm making as something 800 px. Height I'm going to make, for example, 150 px. Same way, every area, even 2 also and 3 also. Okay. Right click and the format document. Okay. And so anyway, in the same file, it is an internal, no need to link, because actually the style I used here. And right click, reveal in the file explorer, double click this. Of course, divs are there, but you cannot see that. For that, I'm going to do that. I will give you one background color. One background color, even every area, separate color. Background color, something lighter. Background color, blue, lighter. Background color, right? That's it. Now, anyway, the file is there. It's coming to this. I want all the divs should be center. If you write margin auto, that is one of the box model feature. Margin auto, in the sense, the auto will be applicable to all the sides. Top, left, bottom. So top, right, bottom, and the left. Margin auto. If you are going to write the auto, automatically this will come into the center. What I need for everything, I need 50 pixels in the top, 50 pixels in the bottom. Left and right side should be the auto. For that, you can write in this way. Top, first start from the top, 50 pixels. Right side auto. Bottom, 50 px. And left side auto. Okay, same thing. I'm going to copy paste in all cases. Okay, so now you see this. Everything got 50 pixels gap. F12. Click here. This is the box model. Top and bottom the 50. Width will be the 800 and the 150. Both sides you are not mentioned, because you write the auto, so that the div width subtract from the available width, and the rest leftover value divided by the 2. One value will be the right side, one value will be the left side. The margin automatically came. Okay. And we write just really we need to write in this way? No. Even if you cut like this, also It means 50 pixels. First 50 pixels applicable for the top and bottom. Next value applicable for the left and right. If you write the two, okay, even this is also with the same result. Okay, so this is the box model. Width and height and margin you applied. What about inner space? What is inner space? If I'm going to write somewhere else, P lowerm 40. How much it is coming? It is coming like this. What I will do is, I will give the padding. What is the padding means? It is the inner space. This is the padding. If the SOPA is there, padding will be the more. So for the last one only, I'm giving the padding. View, border. For the last one only, I'm giving the padding. What is the padding? Padding I'm giving as a 50 pixels. If you give the 50 px, this particular amount will be increased in the div. Okay, actual space will be the 800 pixels by 150 plus 50, 50, 50 and the 50 all the sides. Increase it, right? So to maintain the same width, what the value to be subtracted? Left and right 50, 50, 100 to be subtracted. Top and bottom 50, 50, only 50 will be there. Okay, so leave it as it is, or else I can make it 100. Okay, so this is the, in this way you need to handle, box models. Padding, margin and border is not added. For example, I'm giving the border also here. Border, what is that? 5px width, solid, that means straight lines, and color red. See this? Again, it is increased. So that specific value to be subtracted from here. What is the value? 555. So 690. 690 and it is 90. Then only it occupies. See this? 690, 90, 50, 50. Almost 5 in the sense 4.8 it came, and this one. Okay. Most probably by tomorrow, by this evening, I'm going to post all the videos. Go through this. You have any doubt, just come up with tomorrow. Tomorrow will be something bit advanced class will be there with backgrounds and the positions and all. Okay. And your duty is study these 2 days, the complete properties, the list, and how to practice also. I will give you the way how to practice each and everything. These 2 days spend a minimum 6 hours time at least. Then you can able to handle all the properties you can. Whatever the things I need to teach, transitions, transformations, variables, and display properties. And these are things I'm going to teach you separately. But text changing, font changing, color changing, border changing. Okay, these things need to handle by you only. Okay, if you are not if you are not clear, just where you are lacking, just keep in front of, so that it will be better for you. Okay, is the today class is understandable or not? Ardhamainda leda? Okay, Ardhamainda? Because actually in the future we need to make the projects. If you know everything, how things to be adjusted from the Monday onwards, we need to handle the projects. Okay, right. I'm making you the foundation, how the blocks are going to handle and that. Okay, right. Thank you.